Potassium permanganate is a very strong oxidizing agent, and in this reaction, a lot of heat is produced. Also, potassium permanganate will stain most things it comes into contact with. Proper safety equipment such as gloves and goggles are mandatory. First, about 10 grams of potassium permanganate was added to a suitable dish. Crystalline potassium permanganate was used. If a powdered form is used, the reaction is gonna go much quicker. Then about 5 milliliters of glycerin was added. Glycerin also goes by the name Glycerol. The overall reaction is shown above. The potassium permanganate reacts with the glycerin to form potassium carbonate, manganese oxide, carbon dioxide, and water. This reaction is a redox reaction, which in short for reduction oxidation. In short, reduction is the acceptance of electrons and oxidation is the donation of electrons. And for redox reaction to occur, one chemical must be donating electrons while the other is accepting. In our case, the potassium permanganate is receiving the electrons and the glycerin is donating them. So logically, if the potassium permanganate is receiving electrons, it's getting reduced, and if the glycerin is donating electrons, it's getting oxidized. Because of potassium permanganate's strong desire to accept electrons, i.e. getting reduced, is referred to as an oxidizing agent. Because in order for it to be receiving electrons, it means that another molecule is donating, i.e. getting oxidized. If you choose to carry out this reaction, be aware that the heat being produced can easily cause a glass to crack. Carry out this experiment on something that can withstand a strong heat.